In this part, we are going to talk about booleans in Java, what they are and how they work. And by the end of this part, you will fully understand how to use booleans and boolean expressions. So in Java, a boolean is a data type that can only have two possible values, true or false. These values are super useful when making decisions in your programs. For example, checking if a user is logged in, and when checking if a number is greater than another number. Okay, so let us take a look at an example. Okay, so here, in order to create a boolean, we create it like this. Okay, we use the boolean. So here we use the boolean keyword, and this one is going to specify the type of this variable, okay, that we are going to create, and it is going to be of type boolean. Okay, so this one is going to have, let us name it is Java fun, and let us set it to be equals to what? So you should note that if we set it to be an empty string like that, as you can see, we get an error. Okay, as you can see, so we get an error. So we have only two possible values. We have true or false. Okay, they are the ones that we can use. Okay, so this one is Java fun can either be true or it can be false. Okay, false, like that. Okay, can either be true or false. And when we do that, you're going to see that there is no as you can see, no error. Okay, VS Code is not showing any error in our code. Okay, so but Java is fun. Okay, so let us set it to be true, and then from there, let us create another variable. It's going to be of type boolean, and let us name it is fish testy. Guys, is fish testy. Let me set it to be false, like that. Okay, then after there, let us see how we can use them. Okay, so in order to use them, we can use them in a normal way. Okay, so we can use sort. Let me see, but my computer is freezing, so let me just type it: system.out print ln. Then here is Java. Is Java fun? Is it fun? Let us concatenate it with is Java fun. Is Java fun, like that. So is Java fun, then we are going to get that boolean value, okay, of the is Java fun variable. Okay, then after there, let us also do the same with copy. So paste there. Then is Java, let me say is fish testy. Then is fish testy. Let us get this one. Is fish testy, like that. So let us save, and then let us open our terminal, and then we try to compile. Okay, so here we declared two boolean variables. Okay, so here we did it. We declared two boolean variables. After doing that, we printed out the values. Okay, their values. Okay, there. So let us try to save, and then is fish testy. Okay, so this one was uppercase, and this one was also uppercase. So let us save, and then we go in the terminal. Then we try to compile Java main.java. So you should note that our file is called main.java, as you can see. And then let us run. As you can see, java.main. So we get this output: is Java fun, it's true, and is fish tasty, false. Okay, so we get that output. Okay, so let us now take a look at boolean expressions. Okay, so let's see how booleans can come from expressions. Okay, like comparisons. Okay, so for example, let us create here, but let me just create here another one. Down, let us go. So let us create a variable of the integer data type, and let us set it to be 10. Then y equals to 20. Then from there, let us set boolean. Let us create another one. Boolean is equal. Then let us use this one is going to be in form of an expressions, okay, in form of an expression, okay. So in order to use an expression here, we are going to use a parenthesis, okay, pair of parentheses. Then inside this pair of parentheses, it's where we are going to put our expression that is going to return either true or false, okay. So this one, let us check if x equals to y. Is it equals to y? So it is going to return true or false, okay. So let us create another one. Boolean is smaller, like that, but this one, let me make it to be uppercase, like that. So let me let us, so in order to get the smallest value, okay, in order to determine if one number is smaller than the other, okay, we should use the greater than, okay. We can use the greater than or less than signs, okay. So let me use x less than y. Is x less than y, okay. You can do it with the greater than also, okay. So let us use system.out.println. Then here let us get is x equals to y. Then here we are going to output is equal. Then after doing that, then let us copy, then paste this line here. Then here we are going to get is smaller, like that. Then here we are going to output, let us change this message, and then is we are going to use is x smaller than y, like that. So after doing that, let us save, and then let us leave some gap here. Let us save, and then we try to compile. Let us compile and see what is going to happen. So after compiling, let us run. Okay, as you can see, we get these four outputs, okay, and these first two are the ones that we wrote, okay, okay, at first, okay, and these ones are the last two, okay. These last two, we have this one, the last second is x equals to y. As you can see here, we get false, okay, because x is not equals to y. As you can see, x is not equals to y, and here is x smaller than y. Okay, as you can see, x is smaller than y, which means we are going to get true. Okay, so that's how we can use booleans in expressions. Okay, so play around with them. We should know that booleans can also be used in if statements, also in switch statements. Okay, so but we shall take a look at that in future videos, okay, in future parts. Okay, so just play around with the expressions, okay, the booleans, okay, how to use them like this, okay, as I've shown you. Okay, so thank you. Combine the knowledge that I've given you with the other knowledge, okay, the other knowledge you have with Java, okay, in Java. Okay,